Now, with less than 24 hours to go before the start of the J3A's National Senior and Junior Athletics Championships, we take a look at the women's short sprints in our final preview this evening.
Sound bites have been at a premium for Jamaica's top women sprinters just ahead of the start of the National Senior and Junior Championships. Reigning world 100-meter champion Shelly and Fraser Price was away in Paris, busy burning up the track in a world leading equaling 10.67 seconds this past Saturday. Fraser Price is entered for the 100 and 200 meters at the National Championships, but has a bye for the shortest sprint as a result of being the current world champion. The 35-year-old says she will be in action, though it remains to be seen whether she'll do the double. Fraser Price has run a best of 22.41 seconds for the 200 meters so far this season. When TVJ Sports visited an MVP training session just a few days before the National Championships, Olympic 100-meter bronze medalist Sharika Jackson could be seen going through her final preparations for the four-day meet. Though we didn't manage to catch up with her for an interview, 27-year-old Jackson definitely passed the eye test, and her 10.92 and 21.91 seconds over the 100 and 200 meters prove that. And then there is two-time Olympic sprint double champion Elaine Thompson-Herro. Thompson-Herro had the season of her life last year and became the fastest living woman on her way to accomplishing a feat that no other woman in the history of the sport has done. Her 10.79 and 22.25 seconds put her in prime contention to get back to the dizzying heights of 2021, and winning the sprint double at the National Championships would be an early 30th birthday present for the five-time Olympic champion. Kavona Davis at 10.95, Natalia White and Kemba Nelson at 10.97, and Brianna Williams at 11.03 seconds are also expected to figure come Friday evening under the lights at the National Stadium. In whatever order they should finish, the performances in the women's sprints at the National Championships could give an early indication that Jamaica's women could sweep the medals in the 100 meters for the second year in a row. Live and exclusive coverage of the National Senior and Junior Championships will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network and One Spot Media, with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM from Thursday, June 23 to Sunday, June 26.